What happens after divorce papers are served in Massachusetts? After you receive your divorce papers, you'll need to file an answer. You only have 20 days to do so, or you'll lose the case. Oftentimes, the next step is to establish temporary orders. Since the divorce process takes so long, temporary orders are often needed so everyone can go on living their lives. Either you or your spouse can file for these orders. Usually, you're looking to have the court establish who can live in the marital home, who will be responsible for paying bills, who will have custody of your children, and if there will be spousal or child support, and if so, how much. These orders are important for two reasons. First, they will go into effect immediately, and you'll have to abide by them during the divorce, which will take several months at least. Secondly, these temporary orders have a tendency to become permanent at the end of your divorce. For example, if your spouse gets primary custody of your kids, a court is more likely to leave it that way permanently unless there is a good reason to change it. The next step is discovery. Discovery is basically an exchange of information. Both parties have to provide certain automatic discovery, including bank statements and tax returns for the previous 3 years. But we may want to get additional information as well. If so, we'll send out interrogatories and requests for production of documents. During this phase, we're usually negotiating with your spouse for an acceptable resolution of the issues. Mediation may also be something that we want to try. As a rule, it's better to work out your issues directly with your spouse rather than make a judge decide. If we can't come to an agreement on all of your issues, we'll have to take your case to trials. Trials are very stressful and expensive. That's why most cases settle. But it's always an option if you don't get what you want.